friends, welcome to Circle Time. I am Caroline from the Khan Academy Kids team, and I'm here today with my friend Sophie. Hello, Sophie.
Hi, Caroline. Hi, friends. How are you all today? Oh, lots of people nodding, giving thumbs up, saying they're feeling great. That's good. What are we going to do today?
Are you ready to dance, friends?
Yeah, that sounds great.
Well, first, we are going to read a book about dancing, and then we have a very special show and tell. So we are going to read 8 dance moves by Cynthia Platt. It was dance party day at the kids club, and Sandy was excited. Not everyone else was feeling the same way, though. I don't know how to dance, Cody said. Neither do I, Olive replied. I can show you how, said Sandy. All you have to do is dance to the count of 8. How do you do that? Cody asked. Just watch me and do what I do, Sandy said. Sandy counted to 8 and did a different dance step for each number. Now you do it, she said. Sophie, should we try to do the dance moves?
I think we should, friends. Let's go.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Great, friends. Thank you for joining us. Let's see what's on the next page.
Oh, I'll sit back down.
That looks hard, Olo said. It does, but I'm going to try it anyway, Cody said. She did 8 poses to the count of 8, but they didn't look anything like Sandy's. Sandy didn't seem to mind. Those were some good moves, she said to Cody. All right, friends, should we try Cody's moves?
I think we should.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8.
That was great. Thank you for joining me. I think we have one more. That looks fun, said Olo. I guess I'll try to dance too. Olo counted from 1 to 8 and did a different move for each number. Cool beans, said Cody. Let's do all those moves now, friends.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Oh, gosh. This is tricky.
7, 8.
Thank you, friends. I like how creative your dance moves are, Sandy told them. Thanks for showing us how to dance to the count of 8, Olo said. It turns out we can do it after all, said Cody. Let's keep dancing. Friends, that was such a fun story. We could count and dance.
I loved it. Thank you, Caroline. Did you love that, friends? Oh, yeah, lots of our friends are saying they loved that. What are we going to do next, Caroline?
Well, today we have a very special show and tell. Our friend, Teacher Crystal, is going to show us how to dance. And she knows how to dance hip hop, which is a kind of dance.
Wow, we can't wait. Should we say hi to Crystal, Teacher Crystal?
Hello, Teacher Crystal.
Hi, Teacher Crystal.
Hi Caroline, hello to all the Khan Academy kids. This is Teacher Crystal here in Southern California. So excited to teach you some hip hop today.
Thank you so much, Teacher Crystal. That was so much fun. And thank you, Nev, too, for showing us how to dance. Friends, maybe you can pick your favorite kind of dance to do today, and you can try it with your family.
Oh, that sounds fun. We can play some music and have a little dance to get all our energy out. Oh, that's great. Thanks for the idea, Caroline.
Yes, and we would love it if you wanted to create a video like Teacher Crystal did, or even a shorter one, that's fine, or a picture, and you can share it with us. And maybe next time on Show and Tell, we can show your dance too.
Great.
Well, it's time for us to say goodbye for now. Thank you so much for joining us. It's a highlight of my day to see all of you. So goodbye for now from Caroline, Sophie, and the Khan Academy Kids team. Have a great day.
Bye, friends.